Alright you guys, now we're going to unbox the Prometheus 4 disc collector's edition, the Target exclusive. That comes with, as you can see right here, a little book. So yeah, this comes with the Blu-ray 3D, Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy. I don't have the 3D TV just yet, but I'll be working on it. You got questions will be answered and well over 7 hours of extras, including an alternate beginning and ending, ultraviolet Blu-ray. Questions will be answered. Journey deeper into the world of Prometheus with 4 discs and over 7 hours of extras. Discover answers through revealing commentaries and deleted scenes, including an alternate beginning and ending. Learn the scenes of the film in a fascinating 3.5-hour documentary. Explore the vast Wayland Corp archive and more. You can see all that right there, what it includes. And it is R-rated. It is by Fox. It is, I don't know how long it is just yet. Let's open it and find out. Here is the little exclusive booklet you get from Target. Oh, look at the shot of the alien right here. That's awesome. So let's see what's in this book. You have this stuff. Sorry if there's a reflection from the light. Some stuff right here. The ship itself, Prometheus. And I think as it lands, the planet. The head itself. Oh, and by the way, this whole set I got for Target for $19.99. That was a steal, and I had to pick that up, especially the Target, and the Target exclusive. Shoot. Of course. That's why it's always better when you wait. That blueprints looks like, and that looks like Michael Fassbender. Oh, and by the way, I do got the Dollar Tree Blu-rays. I came home with 13 of them, so yeah. They have them alright. But I will not show them until my Blu-ray update. Sorry, you guys gotta wait. Hold on. Sorry about that, my stupid neck is cramping up. More stuff here. And the alien at the very end of the film as it comes out. So yeah, that's pretty good. Alien or xenomorphs, whatever they call that thing. Then you got this one Blu-ray 3D feature film, Prometheus in high definition 3D. This 2 Blu-ray feature film, Prometheus in high definition, 2 audio commentaries by director Ridley Scott and writers John something and Damon Lindelof. The Peter Wayland files deleted and alternate scenes, including alternate and beginning and ending. There's 3 Blu-ray bonus features. The various guides making up Prometheus documentary, Wayland Corp archive, production galleries, and featurettes. Second screen movie app, Prometheus standard definition, Prometheus for portable media players. That's the disc 4 DVD feature film. So like I was saying before, it is R-rated. It's by Fox. It is 2 hours and 4 minutes. So let's open it. Okay, you got your Blu-ray 3D Prometheus, the Prometheus Blu-ray, special features disc, and your DVD disc and digital copy. What we got in here, you got some promotional things here. And the second screen movie app. So yeah, not bad for 20 bucks. You get all that for $20. I love it. So yeah, that was just my quick unboxing of Prometheus. The 3D Blu-ray 4-disc collector's edition. Let me know what y'all think, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Later.